Maybe you want to promote your online course using ads, but you don't have money to spend on them yet. Or maybe you're already pouring money into ads, but with little to no return. Well, today, friends, we're flipping that script and revealing the top 3 ways that you can sell your online course with ease and confidence without spending a dime on ads. Stick around because you won't want to miss out on these game-changing strategies. Hey friends, Myrra here. I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, online course creator, and strategist and author, helping kingdom-driven coaches, entrepreneurs, authors, and service providers around the world in turning their God-given expertise and skills into profitable and transformational online courses. And so if that is your thing, I invite you to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well so you won't miss out on our new videos. Okay, so today I'm excited to share with you the top 3 strategies for you to sell your online course without spending a dime on ads. I do know that not all of us have the capacity to invest on ads yet, or that some of us genuinely just want to promote and sell our online course organically without using ads. If that is something that you're curious about, grab a pen and paper because you're gonna want to take notes on this one. All right, let's kick things off with strategy number 1, content strategy. Picture this. Your online course is the main destination, and your content is the roadmap leading your audience to it. Whether it's through blog posts, your YouTube videos, or your social media posts in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever, every piece of content that you create should ultimately guide your audience towards your course. For this one, I want you to imagine a funnel, right? So the bigger part of that funnel starts with your traffic from everywhere that your audience is lurking in and where you're showing up as the expert. It could be your YouTube videos, your blog posts, or your Instagram posts or reels. And from there, you are building awareness. And then the second stage is where you want to have some kind of exclusive access to you, whether it be a Facebook group community, or an email list, or a free webinar or challenge, or anything that will entail to take action from the first part. The first part of the funnel consists of the people who have just come across you. They're now being aware of your brand, of the value that you give, of your expertise, right? And they're getting value from you. And then they take action. They sign up to, let's say, a freebie that you have, a lead magnet, or they join your community, your free community, right? And then from there, that means that they are now warm leads. They're not just people who have come across you online and don't care about you. They actually care about you and what you teach and what your expertise is and what your niche is, right? Because they want to learn more about you. That's why they took action, right? And then from there, you can now consider promoting your online course to them, right? So it leads to your online course. And then the narrower part of your funnel now involves your online course and who the people will be inside your course, right? So it starts from the people who have just come across you, and then the people who took action and are now a part of your community, and then the people who have even more access to you as the expert, as the content creator, as the author, as the entrepreneur, and that is inside your online course. So I hope that's making sense here. Now, remember 2 things here. Consistency is key. So you would want to show up consistently in the platform where your audience is lurking and where you can show your expertise, you can build credibility, you can build relationships with your audience, and you can provide value. Speaking of providing value, the second thing is for you to give value. Okay, so you want to post content that makes people think, if this person, expert, author, entrepreneur, is already giving me this much value in his or her free content, how much more transformation and support can I get from this person inside their course, right? And so when you provide value, this is a great way that you're building trust with your audience. Because in their minds, it is now being ingrained that you really do know what you're talking about, that you are the real deal, that you are indeed, and that now you are the expert that they trust to teach them, to lead them to whatever desired outcome and transformation they want in their life or in their business. And so that is exactly why they will invest in your course, because they have now built their trust in you, and they have now known that you're not going to scam them, and that you are the real deal, and that you really provide value, and that value leads to the transformation that they want, right? And so this is where you will subtly remind your audience about your awesome course that is waiting for them. So that is content strategy. Now on to strategy number 2, upsell strategy. This is where your low ticket products can pave the way for high ticket sales. So let's say that you are an author, right? And you're already selling your physical book in person in the bookstores nationwide or in Amazon, and you're providing Kindle and things like that, right? And so your book, obviously, it could be around just $10 to $20, right? Even less, depends on your pricing of your book. And so it is essentially a low ticket product. And now, as you offer these smaller, more affordable products, it can lead people to your high ticket item. And now these smaller, more affordable offerings that you have not only provide immediate value to your ideal audience, but also warm up your audience for the high ticket item, which is, in this case, a comprehensive online course, right? So let's say that your book is talking about a strategy in business. Let's say that your book is a social media strategy book, and it's targeted to people who want to grow on social media and want to grow their own personal brands online. And so now, if they want to learn and implement whatever they have read in your book, and you have an online course waiting for them after they read the book, or you give them a freebie inside your book, and then they sign up in that freebie, and now they're inside your email list. And so in that email list, enter them into the sequence of emails where you're promoting your online course. And so that online course may be something that they might be interested in, especially if they really got value from your book, and then they want to learn more from you. They don't just want to read your book, they also might want to learn and implement whatever they have learned in your book. So they want to execute on the strategy. And now your online course has exactly that. The implementable worksheets, the activities that you're going to go through, so that they can really turn the theoretical information that they've read in your book into something practical, into something that they can really execute and get outcomes and transformations from, right? And so that is essentially why it may be valuable for you if you already have a low ticket product and lead that to an online course. So this is the upsell strategy. This could be not just a book, it could be, let's say, a website template. And now people want to buy your website template, but you know that even as they buy that website template, they don't exactly know how to write copy for their website homepage, or what kinds of things they have to learn about website design to really make it effective, like learn about SEO or search engine optimization strategies, things like that. And so as a website designer yourself, you could now think, okay, after this website template, it is your option. It's not like you're going to push them to buying that, but it's more like you can present an option to them to buy your online course once they buy your website template. So that is another example of an upsell strategy. If you're an author, by the way, I created a video on how you can turn your book into an online course. And so you can watch that in here. Next up, strategy number 3, exposure strategy. This is all about getting your name out there through podcasts, events, collaborations, you name it. Basically, the more exposure you'll get, the more eyes you'll have on your online course. So recently, I have a client who is an author, and he was invited into an event, an exclusive event, where he is going to talk to his ideal audience for his course. So his book is his low ticket product, and he also got our help to help him in creating his online course that is complementary to his book. Now, his online course is something that he can sell to the people in that event, because that event is filled with his ideal course students, right? And so this is what I'm talking about when it comes to exposure strategy. You can decide whether it be through podcast episodes, or you can get onto other people's podcasts or events or webinars. And then let's say you're not allowed to promote your online course, you can lead them to a freebie or a lead magnet or your low ticket product that then leads to your online course, right? So there are many ways to go about it. But basically, the idea is about you choosing platforms and events and collaborations and opportunities that align with your ideal course students, your audience, and your message and your niche as well. So when you're in there, you can now promote and sell your online course. All right, all that being said, let's talk about something important. I really do believe that ads are not the only way to get sales for your online course. In fact, selling organically can be even more effective because you're reaching warm leads, people who already know, like, and trust you. I do know that there are ways for you to use ads effectively, right? And to be able to reach your actual ideal course students. But the tendency that when you use ads is for you to reach more people who are not yet that aware, or you haven't yet built that trust factor and that relationship as you have with organic strategies. And so by building these genuine connections and providing genuine value through organic strategies, you not only can increase your sales, but also reduce the risk of refunds or attracting the wrong audience to your course. And so there you have it, friends, our top 3 ways to sell your online course without spending a dime on ads. We hope you found these strategies helpful and valuable. And if you're enjoying this content and want more on course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, and faith-based personal development, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and hit the thumbs up button as well. And also, comment down below which of these 3 strategies are you planning to implement soon. Now, if you're a faith-based entrepreneur, you're a kingdom entrepreneur, and you want kingdom strategies on promoting and selling your online course, then I recommend you watch this video next to learn more about faith-based tips to market your online course successfully. That being said, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!